I love? When people take surroundings and make it into an awesome, fun, random game. So man, what do you want to do? And I don't know. I got an idea. Okay, how about we take your tennis racket and we gotta find something to hit. This. How about this monkey? Okay? And you'll throw the ball. You'll throw the ball. Or the monkey. And I'll hit it. Tennis racket. And it could be like a baseball game. What? Oh my god, that actually sounds awesome. It's so cute. Okay, so I got it. You ready? Ready? Oh my god, nice! Alright, so you ready for it? You ready? Yeah, you're ready. Yeah, I got it. I'm ready. Now throw the ball. You sure? You ready? You ready? No, dude, I got this. Throw the ball. Come on. Ready? You ready? You ready? Come on, throw the ball, man. Okay. Based! Yeah! Creativity of some people just completely blows my mind. It's crazy. Although I do remember a time in my life where everybody thought I was really creative, along with everybody else my age.
Alright, Billy, show me the drawing. Oh, come on, Billy, show me the drawing. Billy, show me the drawing. Billy, show me the freaking drawing.
I'm sorry, everyone's died. It's so fun.
Alright, okay. Show me the drawing. Please, dear God. Come on. Alright, show me.
Okay. It's a walrus.
God, I miss kindergarten. Actually, I miss Lunchables more. Yeah, second grade. Oh, so that's really all that I have to say, Mr. Ned. Yeah. Question of the vid. What is your guys' favorite time in your life? Like mine was when I was like little, like kindergarten through third. Here's the tennis racket we used for that video, by the way. Yeah, so what was your guys' favorite grades time in your life? Whatever. Alright. See ya. And I'm out.